I've learned quite a bit through IDHC. However, with the amount of programs they have and the amount that they keep getting that are new, I think I'm always going to be learning about IDHC because they provide a lot of supports, not only for people living with type 1 diabetes, but also living with type 2.
Ryan Hooey remembers when he lost his sight like it was yesterday. He went bowling on a Saturday night 8 years ago, and when he woke up on Sunday morning, he couldn't see. He was only 26 years old. Diagnosed with type 1 diabetes when he was 7, Ryan learned to give himself insulin injections and managed his diabetes as a young adult. He excelled in sports, earning a college baseball scholarship. Despite his family history of diabetes, many members of his family, some of whom are Indigenous, live with type 1 or type 2. And the fact that diabetes is the leading cause of blindness in Canada for people aged 20 to 65. Ryan never ever expected to experience diabetic retinopathy firsthand. Today, Ryan is raising awareness about diabetic retinopathy and the need to improve prevention, screening, and treatment so people can avoid diabetes-related complications where possible, and also help them afford the costs related to the disease, especially when they don't have insurance.
I keep rocking, I keep rolling, appreciate what it means to keep swollen. I think now about it all and we come so far, yeah. I see my brothers try to lead them right. If the struggle doesn't get them, diabetes might. It's on the individual to lead the life, making moves tight, cause in the end we gon' see the price. Yeah, I guess that's just how it crumbled. I never thought about it much when I was younger. It's like a storming outside, neck and thunder. How long till it hits me in my living room?